Upgrading your windows is one of the most effective ways to improve comfort, energy efficiency, and curb appeal in your Rockford home. But before your installation team arrives, a little preparation goes a long way in ensuring the project runs smoothly. By taking a few simple steps, you can help protect your belongings, streamline the process, and reduce stress for everyone involved. Here's how to prepare your Rockford home for a successful window installation project. Clear access to Windows installers need plenty of room to work around each window. Make their job easier, and protect your belongings by clearing the areas inside and outside your home. Inside the home, move furniture, lamps, and decor away from windows. A good rule of thumb is to clear at least 3 feet of space around each window. Outside the home, trim bushes, move patio furniture, and remove any obstacles that block access to exterior walls. This ensures your installers can work quickly and safely without risking damage to your belongings. Protect floors and furniture. Window installation involves dust, debris, and sometimes a bit of moisture. Preparing your home in advance helps keep everything clean. Cover floors. Lay down drop cloths, old sheets, or plastic tarps near the work areas. Protect furniture. If large items can't be moved, cover them with protective cloths or plastic sheeting. Secure valuables. Fragile items like picture frames, vases, or electronics should be relocated to another room during installation. Taking these steps will keep cleanup to a minimum once the project is complete. Take down window treatments before your installers arrive. Remove any blinds, curtains, shades, or hardware from the windows being replaced. This not only speeds up the installation process but also prevents damage to your treatments. If you plan to reuse them, set them aside in a safe place until the project is finished. Or, consider this the perfect opportunity to refresh your look with new window coverings that match your upgraded windows. Plan for pets and children. A window installation project can be noisy and disruptive, which may cause stress for pets and young children. Keep pets in a separate room. This prevents them from being startled by the noise or getting in the way of installers. Arrange childcare if needed. For large projects, consider scheduling playdates or visits with relatives for younger kids. By planning ahead, you'll ensure your loved ones stay safe and comfortable throughout the installation. Communicate with your installers. Clear communication is key to a smooth project. Take time before installation day to confirm details with your contractor. Schedule. Verify the start time and estimated duration of the project. Parking. Reserve driveway or street space for installers' vehicles if needed. Special concerns. Inform your installers of any access restrictions, alarm systems, or areas of the home that require extra care. These small details help create a seamless experience for both you and your installation team. Prepare for temporary disruptions during the installation. There may be brief periods when sections of your home are exposed to the outdoors. Temperature control. Be ready for indoor temperature fluctuations, especially in Rockford's colder months. Noise. Expect some noise from tools and removal of old windows. Privacy. Keep in mind that installers will be moving in and out of your home frequently. Planning for these temporary inconveniences will make the process easier to manage. Final thoughts. Replacing your windows is a valuable investment in your Rockford home, and with the right preparation, the installation process can be smooth and stress-free. By clearing access, protecting your belongings, removing window treatments, planning for pets and kids, and communicating with your installers, you set the stage for a successful project. The result? Beautiful new windows that improve comfort, boost energy efficiency, and enhance the look of your home for years to come. With a little preparation, your Rockford window installation will be a positive experience from start to finish.